aspirants, welcome to Root Support Academy. As you all know, these days, most of the competitive exams ಅಲ್ಲಿ English is one among the crucial section. Okay. So, mastering English grammar and vocabulary is the key to success ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. And English ಅಲ್ಲಿ, we don't have to, remember a lot of formulae, procedures, steps and all that. So, English is a scoring subject ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. So, if once we are thorough with the English grammar and all the basics, it will be very easy to score good marks in English section. So, in today's class, let's start learning English grammarly. One simple topic that is about articles. Okay. We all know English ali there are three articles, a and the. But sometimes what happens, we tend to make mistakes even the most simple topics. Okay. So, in today's session, let's discuss the rules, okay, wherein we have to use these three articles. Okay. So, articles are basically classified into two types, indefinite articles and definite article. Okay. A and an are referred to as the indefinite articles, whereas the is referred to as definite article. Indefinite, a and an, definite article, the. Okay. Let's start learning rules for using a and an. First one. Okay. First is about the sound. Where do we use a and how do we use an? A is used before consonants, an is used before vowel. Okay. We know English only. There are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Okay. So we know in English there are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Okay. So whenever we have a word starting with these vowels, before that we use an. Okay. And not just vowel, but also vowel sound. Okay. So we are focusing on the sound. So before this, any word beginning with vowel or vowel sound, we use an. Okay. Apart from this, the other things, B, D until Z. All the other alphabets are called as consonants, 21 consonants. So before consonants, we use A. Okay. Before consonant or before consonant sound, we use the article A. Okay. Example I've written here, a book, consonant, a pen, an apple. Okay. So before vowel, we've used an. Before consonant, we've used A. Next, here I've written an hour. Okay. Here H is a consonant. And before consonant, we are supposed to use A. Alva. But still here I've written an. So we are going with the sound of that and not the consonant that is given here. Here H is silent. We pronounce this as an hour. We don't pronounce the H. That is why we've used an. Okay, so an is used before vowel or vowel sound. Next, similar goes with an honest man. Next one, not specific. Okay, a and an are used before things which are not specific. And those things might be used in the sentence or in the conversation for the first time. Example, here I'm asking you, I need a pen. I need a pen. You can give me any pen. Okay, things are not specific when I'm using a or an. It can refer to anything in general. Next, singular countable nouns. A and an are used with singular countable nouns. There needs to be a count. Usually the count is 1. If I'm writing an elephant, it means 1 elephant. I've written an before elephant because it's starting with a vowel again. Okay. So an elephant means 1 elephant. So we use a or an with singular countable nouns. We cannot write an elephants. Okay. It does not go, a and an will not go good with plural countable nouns. Next, we use it before some acronyms. Acronyms andre abbreviations. We write few things in short forms, alla. Those are called as acronyms. Here I've written an NGO, an MLA. Here again we have 2 consonants. N is a consonant, M is also a consonant. But we are going with this sound. That is why I've used an, because we have vowel sound there. An NGO, an MLA. Okay. Next, in numerical sense, a and an is used. Example, I've written an hour. Okay. An hour means 1 hour. Okay. So that is why whenever we have to talk in numerical sense, usually this refers to 1. 1 hour, and I've written a dozen. A dozen of eggs means 1 dozen. Okay. So in numerical sense also we use the articles a or an. Next, To make proper noun a common noun. Okay. Now, example, I've written a Shakespeare. Shakespeare is a person we know. Example, if I'm telling, in his writing skills or in his way of expressing, he is a Shakespeare. If I'm telling he is a Shakespeare, that means I'm not referring to particularly Shakespeare. I'm just trying to make that proper noun as a common noun. I'm generalizing Shakespeare and trying to tell that he, tries to write in that way. Next, to describe someone's profession. Okay, while describing someone's profession, we use the article a or an. Example, a teacher. Okay, she is a teacher. A teacher. Next, he is an astronaut or he is a doctor. So whenever we are using profession, we use the article a or an. So these are the rules for using a or an. Next, we have rules for using the definite article the. First of all, the has two sounds. Okay, we pronounce it in two different ways. Okay, first is the, next is the. Okay, so the is used before consonant or consonant sound, and the is pronounced, okay, it is pronounced as the before any word beginning with vowel or vowel sound. Example, the book. Okay, here B is a consonant. Next, the apple. The apple, okay, because it is a vowel again. So the has two sounds. One is the and the before consonant, before vowel. Okay. Next, specific. When things are specific, exact age adenta when I'm mentioning, then we use definite article the. Example, I need the pen. The pen means it is specific now. Which pen I need, you have to give me that pen. I need the pen, you know which pen you have to give. So example, in a sentence when we are using the, it's like the people, those who are talking, they know which particular specific thing we are talking about. However, we use definite article the. Next, singular, plural, countable nouns, uncountable nouns. Okay, with all the different types of nouns, the can be used. Example, the apples. Okay, the apples are on the table. The apples, again apples plural, so we can use the here. Next, the water. If I'm telling the water is clean, how much water I can't specify. It is again uncountable. Okay, what is the quantity of water I'm not specifying. Okay, it can be any quantity. So before that I'm using the water. It's like you can't use a water or an water. You have to use the definite article the. Next, comparison. When we have to compare two things, we again use the definite article the. Example, he is the taller of the two brothers. Two brothers Ali, one is tall, one is short. So to compare those two, we are using definite article the again. Next, superlative degree. Okay, superlative degree we all know. Example, he is the most intelligent boy. Okay, he is the most intelligent boy in the class. And I tell you. So here, whenever we have superlative degree, we use the definite article the. Next, unique objects. Before mentioning about some unique objects, we again use definite article the. Example, the sun and the earth. Okay, here you can listen to the pronunciation. I'm using the sun because S is a consonant. I'm using the earth because E is a vowel. And sun, earth, moon, all these are unique objects. Before them, we again use the definite article the. Next, musical instruments. In any sentence, when we are using musical instrument, we again use definite article the. Example, the violin. He plays the violin. She plays the piano. So whenever we have musical instruments, before that we use the. Next, geographical names. Before specifying some geographical locations or names, we use definite article the. Example, I'm telling the Himalayas. Okay, the Himalayas is a very beautiful place. Example, if I have to tell this, I have to use the. So before geographical names, we use definite article the. Next, before writing awards, trophies or cups, okay, before mentioning any name of award, trophy or cup, avaga kuda we use definite article the. Example, the Paramveer Chakra or the ICC World Cup trophy. Adara, before writing the names of awards, trophies or cups, we use definite article the. Next, before newspaper names. Okay, before the newspaper name, again we use definite article the. Example, the Hindu. I read an article in the Hindu newspaper. Okay, so whenever we mention newspaper, before that you cannot use a or an. We have to use definite article the. I read an article means again an article I'm using because article starts with a vowel. An article means it can be any article. Again, it is not specific. If I'm telling the article that I read in the Hindu was very interesting. Now it is a specific thing. The article and you know which article. Okay, so the is also used before newspaper names. So these are the rules pertaining to the usage of articles a and an and the article the. Okay, so now let's discuss something about zero article. What is this zero article? Okay, sometimes there is no need of using any article a and the. These three articles are omitted. So zero article is also known as omission of articles, wherein a and the we omit the articles. There is no need to use any article. Let's discuss few cases wherein we don't use any article. Okay. First one, before a proper noun. Okay, proper noun andre enu? Okay, some names. Okay, names of people, place, country, atara. Example, John. I have written the name of a boy. John is a good boy. The John is a good boy. A John is a good boy. No necessity of using article there. And names of countries. Before names of countries also, there is no need to use any article. He is going to London. He is going to a London or the London anta use mado necessity illa. Now, India is my country. Okay, the India, a India, not necessary. So before proper nouns, okay, we omit the articles. We don't use any article. Next, before material nouns, okay, before the names of materials also, we skip article. We don't use any article. Example, iron, gold. Okay, iron is a strong metal. Gold is a precious metal. Okay, we don't use a gold or an gold, the gold. Okay, so that is how before material nouns we don't use any article. Next, before name of regular meals. Okay, 3 meals of a day: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. While referring to the meals of a day, okay, we don't use any article there. Okay, I am going for lunch. That is correct. I am going for the lunch or a lunch. That is wrong. They are having dinner. Okay, they are having a dinner, the dinner. Atara, that is wrong. Okay, so before names of regular meals, we don't use any article. Next, before languages or subjects. Okay, while people are talking about any language or subject, avaga kuda there is no need to use any article. Okay, he learns the English language. Next, I love science as a subject. I love science. A science, the science, not needed. Okay, she speaks Hindi. So when we are talking about languages and subjects, we don't use any article. Next, before public institutions like church, school, hospital. Okay, he goes to school every day. So ali the school, a school anta use mado necessity illa. Next, before names of games and sports. So games, sports ಬಗ್ಗೆ when we are talking, we don't have to use any article. Example, I love playing cricket. I love playing badminton. When we use that, we don't have to write a cricket, the cricket anta heli. So when we are using about games and sports, again we don't use any articles. Next, before geographical names. Geographical names, some geographical names like lakes, rivers and mountains. Example, Mount Everest or Lake Victoria. Okay, other when we are speaking about some geographical places, we don't write any article before that. Next, before abstract nouns. Okay, before abstract nouns, we don't use any articles. Abstract nouns andre enu? Okay, the nouns which refer to something like, which is not physical in nature. It cannot be perceived by our senses. Okay, it can be some emotion, feeling, idea or concept. Okay, for example, love, fear, happiness, sadness. All these are referred to as abstract nouns. Example, honesty. Honesty is the best policy. Before writing honesty, we don't have to write a honesty or the honesty. So before abstract nouns, no article is used. Next, before names of some diseases. Okay, usually when we write the name of disease, we don't use any article. Okay, cancer is a deadly disease. A cancer, the cancer, we don't write. He is suffering from cancer or he is suffering from typhoid. Okay, anything related to disease, we don't use any article. Next, before relations. Okay, while we are speaking about relatives and relations, we omit articles again. Example, father, uncle, mother, all these. Okay, uncle has come home today. The uncle or an uncle, a uncle is not necessary. So, these are few cases in which no article is being used. We don't have to use any article. Okay, so aspirants, now that you have learned about articles, in the upcoming video, you have a quiz on the same topic. Take that quiz for yourself and drop your scores in the comment section. If you have any doubts on this topic, feel free to ask the same in the comment section. Thank you.